Habitats Explored, Episode 6, Coral Reefs. Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea Habitats Explored series with me, Victoria. This week I'm going to be talking all about coral reefs. Before watching this video, I highly recommend watching my Learn in 90 Seconds video, What are Corals?, to understand about the animals that make up these reefs as well as the different reef formations. The link is above and down in the description. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Cheers. Covering less than 0.1% of the Earth's surface, coral reefs are the most biodiverse marine ecosystem in the world, often referred to as the rainforest of the sea. Coral reefs are home to around 4,000 species of reef fish, 840 species of coral and over 1 million species of other animals, although many more species are still being discovered. Many animals rely on the reef for their homes. Picture a city. All of the parts of the city work together, the roads for the cars, the buildings for the people to live in. Well, in the ocean, coral reefs form this city that is home to thousands of inhabitants. There is even morning and evening traffic. The coral forms the buildings for this city, where they are home to around 25% of all marine species. As well as providing shelter for animals, coral reefs help to protect us. They act as a natural barrier against large waves, and as well as helping protect our coastline. This helps to protect kelp forests that are an important nursery ground for fish. Ocean ecosystems also contain ingredients used in medications, treatments, and scientific research. Numerous cancer-fighting drugs have come from coral reefs, for example, prostaglandin from sea fans and bryostatin from coral rhizomes, both cancer-fighting drugs. Healthy coral reefs provide habitat, feeding, spawning, and nursery grounds for over 1 million aquatic species, including commonly commercially harvested fish species, food for people living near coral reefs, especially on small islands, recreation, tourism, opportunities such as fishing, scuba diving, snorkeling, and protection of coastal infrastructure and prevention of loss of life from storms, tsunamis, floods, and erosion. It isn't just tropical paradises where corals are found. The UK's waters are home to cold water corals over 8,000 years old, home to a huge variety of marine plants and animals. To learn more about British corals, why not watch my Great British Marine Life episode on cold water corals, linked above and in the description. So, coral reefs are sadly threatened by coral bleaching. To learn more about this, check out my Learn in 90 Seconds video, linked above and in the description below. So, what is coral bleaching? To find out about what is coral bleaching, check out my 90-second video and then this will make a lot more sense. So, other threats include natural threats such as disease, predators, storms, as well as anthropogenic or human threats including pollution, sedimentation, unsustainable fishing practices, and climate change, which can cause ocean acidification and ocean warming. Many of these threats can cause stress on corals, leading to coral bleaching and possible death, while others cause physical damage to these delicate ecosystems. Corals can recover from bleaching if conditions improve before they die, although it can take many years for reefs to fully heal. Scientists are looking into new ways to help coral reefs recover, including growing coral in a nursery before transplanting it to damaged areas. Some quick facts for you about coral reefs. The first coral reefs formed on Earth 240 million years ago, before the dinosaurs were alive. Most coral reefs are between 5,000 and 10,000 years old, the largest of these being the Great Barrier Reef, so large it can even be seen from space. So what can you do to help save coral reefs? Use less water, try taking a shower instead of a bath, or turning the tap off while you brush your teeth. If you're ever lucky enough to be diving with coral, look but don't touch, as touching it can disturb it and may even lead to the coral's death. If you are in the water, make sure to use a reef-friendly sunscreen, as chemicals in some sunscreens can damage aquatic life. Eat sustainably sourced seafood, and leave only footprints, not a trace, so no pollution. Educating your friends and family and sharing these tips to them can also help, so why not share my video? Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed learning about coral reefs. To learn more about habitats and animals, please subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.